Welcome to Happy Fun Time!
Hi guys, and welcome again to Happy Fun Time for Kids! How are you doing, guys? I hope you're having a good day. So today we are going to unbox Pikmi Pops Cheeki Puff Surprise! So we got this from our toy haul from Toy R Us. It's $379.75. This is the smallest, guys. So we got here two. This is the light pink and the hot pink. You like it? I like it too. So first, let's check out what are the details of the packaging. At the back, there is an information. So it says there's a puff and there's a shimmer. So are you excited? I'm excited too. Let's open. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like our video, and please share it to your friends, your classmates, to your family, to your cousins, to your relatives who like toy unboxing. Because we will be having more toy unboxing in the future. The more likes, the more we can produce more video. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. Ooh, there is a screw at the bottom, guys. So I think we need to open it from below. So bear with me, guys. So this is my first time to open a Pikmi Pops Cheeki Puff Surprise. I'm so excited with this one. Oops. So how am I supposed to open this? So there was a screw at the bottom, so we need to tear that apart or unscrew it. So here we need to peel this part. There's an arrow as the guide, so let's just follow it. So what are we expecting in this? Of course, it's like an eyeshadow like that. Well, what else are we expecting? Oh, it just opened randomly. So what is this? Ooh, I can take it off. Okay, later I'm gonna take it off. So we got here the guide. Let's check out the guide since it's our first time. So there are scents. And these are the common. And this is the ultra rare. Ooh, so there's a lot of information here. So what did we got? Based from our packaging, let's check out. This is what we... Oh, I see. So this one, the one that we got, is a glitter perfume bottle. If we got this kind of packaging, then we can get a liquid glitter perfume bottle. So this is a liquid, and then this one is a confetti glitter perfume bottle. So we got here, this one is, the other one is a glitter perfume bottle as well. So this one, let us open. Ooh, there's only one toy inside. Haha. Ooh. Let's open it, guys. Ooh, look at that. So fluffy. Okay, so how should I use this? It says there's a glimmer. Let's put. Is there any glimmer at all? No, nothing. So how do we put this on? I think we need to open this. How silly, guys. It's really my first time. Just keep on laughing. So hilarious. I didn't watch any unboxing of this Cheeki Pops, so bear with me. Maybe the shimmer is here. I was saving this part. No, there's no shimmer here. So where is it? Are you joking me? Oh no, it says it's puffed like that. So How can we get this? How can we put, how? Teach me. Oh, there you go. Did it release something? Oh no, this one is a fail, guys. No, it's not. I think there's something here. Do we need to activate something here? Any one of you guys know how to do this? Oh look, there's no shimmer at all. There's no shimmer at all. Can you see any shimmer? No, there's no shimmer, right? But let's check what we got. Oh, we got a common. It's Fluffin the Slot. Oh, really? It's this one? Oh, let's check out. Or did we get an ultra rare? Too much expectation. Oh yeah, this is what we got. So it doesn't have. Oh really, guys? Is that it? That's how it does. No more, no less. So let me open this. It's really hilarious. But what I'm seeing here is there's no actual items inside. So how are we supposed to get that shimmer puff? Where is the collector's guide? Yeah, this is the collector's guide. So did the collector guide tell us how to do this? No, it did not. Okay. I think I don't know how to use it. But look, guys, there. I can see some glitters. Let's try it again. It's not working. But there's already glitters. There's already shimmer in my hand, but it's not too much. But there is. There you go. Can you see it? There's a shimmer. Maybe this is like the bigger one has a lot of shimmer. But this fails me. So this is how cute it is, guys. So maybe you can put this in your powder. Let's put that there. Let's move on to the second one. So are you interested in buying this, knowing that I failed to open it? Maybe this, by the way, has 3 sizes. So what we got is the smallest. So again, let's follow the arrow so we can open this part. There you go. Let's open and open and open. Let's pray that finally this part will puff. So we open this, the second baggie. Maybe I should read this one. Glitter may take a few taps before dispensing. Tap and push until glitter comes. Okay, I will try. Ooh, how cute and lovely. So, what did we got? This is another common, guys. Oh, because we got a single pack. So we got Butter the Otter. So it's an otter. So this is like an ombre thing. And look, what's this? What is this? So let's try. It says it will take a while before it can actually. We just need to push it. Where do you push it? Like this? Oh, there! This one has more shimmer. It's a success! Yes, amazing! So if you want to be shimmer going to your school, you can use this to your face. I think this is kid friendly. So there you go. So you will be shimmering with those micas. So this is so cute, guys. So let's take a look at the other one, and let's try it on my other wrist. This part. Okay, so we need to push. So this part is really trying my patience. It doesn't have. Let's give it another push. Push, 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 push. No, it did not. Really, this thing doesn't work. So it's a hit and a miss. But this one, we got a good glitter on this one. So overall, am I going to buy another one? Maybe, maybe not. But rate out of 10, I'm going to not buy at all. Again, for the Cheeki Puffs. It's not worth it. Why, guys? Because it doesn't make sense. I just need to buy like a highlighter so I can get glam. But the packaging, if we're talking about the packaging, of course, it's a yes for me. I'm attracted to packaging, guys. So, but if this item goes on sale, I might purchase some more and just use it like for collection. There we go. So I hope you guys learned a few things. And for those of you guys who haven't opened some Cheeki Puffs, Pikmi Pops, so this is a video which is hilarious because I got a lot of experience working it. The other one doesn't work and the other one works. So it's a hit and a miss, but each one is $349.75. But if it's on sale, like 50% off, perhaps we can try to buy another one. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few tricks from me. See you again, and hope you had a wonderful day. Stay happy with Happy Fun Time for Kids. Goodbye. See you in our next video.